So children, today we are going to discuss about units and dimensions basics. Units and dimensions basics. Very basic concept children. It's for only for lower classes, not for intermediate children. Because intermediate you'll be having more numericals that this in intermediate. But I want to talk about only basic concepts so that it will be easy for you to write the dimensional formula of any unit which they keep normally. Okay, so units and dimensions, children. Basic units and dimensions are mass, length, time. Mass, length, time are the basic units, children. Basic units. Okay, and as you go, current will come, temperature will come in the future. First, in today's class, let me discuss only about mass, length, and time. Whatever I am saying, children, after the class, you try to practice 2, 3 times. Then you will understand, children. Okay. So 2, 3 sums, if you see, then you will understand, children, how to write the dimensional formula for any unit given. How to write dimensional formula. This is a basic concept, children. Dimensional formula. Okay. So first, children, first concept. Okay, distance or displacement or anything, children. Distance means some distance, some length. Okay, some length, some path. Okay, so any mass is there? No. Length is there? Yes. Any time is there? No. Because distance means we'll say only centimeters, no, children, or we'll say only meters, no, or we'll say only kilometers, no. Where is mass and time, children? So what is the dimension formula of distance means m0 and t0? That's all. As I keep doing, you'll understand, children. Dimensional formula of speed or velocity, anything is same, children. Here, in writing the dimensional formula, anything is same. What is speed or velocity? Distance or displacement by time. Distance or displacement by time. Okay. Distance or displacement. Anything is some length. Time means time. Okay. If this comes up, L t minus 1. Here plus 1. If it comes up minus 1. Any mass is there? No. So what is the dimensional formula of speed or velocity? M0 L1 t minus 1. M0 L t minus 1. Writing dimensional formula. Like this only, children, you get meters per second, kilometers per hour. Like this only you will get. Okay. So as you keep seeing, you'll understand, children. Some more I will give. Some more I will give. Acceleration. Acceleration. For acceleration, we all studied in 9 classes. What we studied? Speed or velocity? Velocity or speed. Change in speed by time. Velocity by time we studied. Velocity means what? Distance by time. Velocity means what? Distance by time. Already one more time is there here. Try to understand, children. Velocity means distance by time. Already one more time is there. So distance means L. Time 2 times R it is there, t square. So if this comes up, m0 L t minus 2 is the dimensional formula of acceleration. What is the dimensional formula of acceleration? It's m0 L t minus 2. Okay, you will slowly understand, children. Now force, from Newton's second law, what we derived, F is equal to ma, mass into acceleration. Okay, children. Acceleration already now only we got. What is that? LT minus 2. Mass is there into m0 LT minus 2. So mass is there no? 1 plus 0 is 1 only no? So what is dimension formula of force? MLT minus 2. That's all. Simple. Acceleration is LT minus 2. One mass is there, so M. Again I'm saying, don't get confused, children. Acceleration is LT minus 2. M is mass. So MLT minus 2. Try to understand, children. Try to understand. Very easy, children. Work. What is work? Okay, next one, children. What is work? Okay. What is work, children? Okay, I will discuss here. I will discuss. Okay. Work I will discuss here, children. Try to see here. Very easy concept, children. No problem will be here. Just basic concept, children. Work is equal to force into displacement. We studied in 9th class and 10th classes. Work is equal to product of force and displacement. If force is applied, if a body moves, then only work is said to be done. What is the force dimension formula? MLT minus 2. What is the force dimension formula? Force dimension formula, how much we got? MLT minus 2 into L. Distance means L, not distance means L. So what is the dimension formula? ml square t minus 2. What is the work? Dimension formula ml square t minus 2. One more children, one more. Power. Power what we studied, work by time. I hope all of you remember. Power is rate of doing work. What did we study? Power is rate of doing work. Okay. What is work we got children? ml square t minus 2 by t. Okay, if this t comes out, what is the power? ml square t minus 3. Okay, children, they're able to understand. First, we started with what? Distance. Then what's displacement? Then what? Acceleration. Then what we studied? Force. Then what we studied? Work. Then what we studied? Power. Okay, children, this many things we studied till now. Same thing, same things. Okay. You should know all these things, children. If a unit is given, how to derive this dimension formula, you should know, children. Okay, each one, if you practice 3 times, 4 times, you'll get, children. Okay, next, after power, in 9th class and 8th class, in 10th class, what we studied, children, in fourth lesson, in Newton's, uh, third law gives momentum. Okay, so Newton's second law gives momentum. Momentum is what? Mass into velocity. Momentum is what, children? Mass into velocity. What is mass? M. What is velocity? Velocity is LT minus 1. Velocity is what? LT minus 1. So what is the dimension formula for momentum? LT minus 1. You are able to understand? I think you are able to understand. Okay. Those who didn't understand, one more. Impulse. What is impulse? Force into time is impulse. What is force, children? This is force. mlt minus 2. And what is time? One more time is there, children. Time is t. So if you join this both, you'll get mlt minus 1. Okay, children? mlt minus 1. Force is mlt minus 2. And into time. Force into time is impulse. Force into time is impulse. Okay. So two units, can they have same dimension formulas? Yes, no problem with it. Two things can have same dimension formula, nothing wrong with it. Okay, next, one more example, sir. We want means children, in universal law of gravitation, do you remember F is equal to G m1 m2 by r square we studied? Let's find out for G what is the dimensional formula. G is equal to, children, just go here, fr square by m1 m2. Children, what is F, children, here? mlt minus 2. Okay, children, mlt minus 2. What is r square? R square means length square. R square means some distance. Mass m1 m2 means 2 masses m square, children. What is the specialty of axial universal gravitational constant? This is the only unit where you get mass is negative, children. No dimension formula. Mass can, if I ask your weight, what you will say? 10 kg, 20 kg, 30 kg, 40 kg, 50 kg. But will you say minus 10 kg, minus 20 kg? But yeah, universal gravitational constant will have mass in negative, children. So this goes up means m minus 1 L t minus 2. Oh, sorry, m minus 1 L cube. 1 plus 2 is 3 minus 2. M minus 1 L cube t minus 2. Very, very important. So many times in MSET and NEET they ask us this dimensional formula, children. What is the dimensional formula of axial universal gravitational constant? M minus 1 L cube t minus 2. That's the question, children. Okay. One more example, sir. It means area. Suppose someone will ask you, what is the dimensional formula of area? Simple. Area means meter square. Only length is there. No mass, no time. Simple. M0 L square T0. Simple, children. Simple. Can anyone tell me what is the dimension formula of volume, children? Anyone? Volume. Volume.
Sir, M L T cube T is 0, sir. Sir, M0 T L cube T0, sir.
Fantastic, man. 8th class boy is saying M0 L cube T0. Very good, very good. M0 L cube T0. Volume is only length is there. No mass, no time. So M0 L cube T0, children. Okay, now next one, some more examples we'll discuss, children. I hope you are able to understand. Now, slowly, slowly, you will understand, children. As you keep doing, you will understand, children. One more example we will do, children. One more example we will do here. Next, density. What is density? I will say mass by volume. Can anyone dare to say what is dimension formula for mass by volume, children? Mass by volume.
Sir,
Sir,
M
ML
Sir M L minus 3 T0, sir.
Wow, fantastic. What, Harsha? That much you understood, huh? 8 plus m1 by L cube. L cube, if it comes up, is saying L minus 3. L cube is coming up. L minus 3 T0. That's it, children. Very good, madam. Harsha, very good. M is M. This is coming up minus 3 T0. 13th question, children. 13th question. Okay, one more example, children. Frequency. Do you know anyone frequency formula? 1 by time period. So 1 by time period means, can anyone say dimension formula of 1 by time period, children? Time. That's all.
So t minus 1.
That's all. Very good. T minus 1. So M0, L0, T minus 1. No mass, no length. Only time is there. No mass, no length. Only time is there. Like this, you should be in a position to analyze, children. Okay. 14th question, children. Pressure. Anyone wants to say pressure, children? Force by area is the formula. Force by area.
Sir, M1, L minus 1, T minus 2.
Okay, let me check, children. Force means what, children? MLT minus 2. MLT minus 2 by L square. Okay, area means L square. So now you tell, children, MLT minus 2 by L square. Now you tell what is the answer.
Sir, m L minus 1 t minus 2.
Very good.
Minus 1, T.
If this comes up, 1 minus 2 is minus ml minus 1 t minus 2. I hope everyone are copying, children, all these dimension formulas. Okay, I hope you are copying. If you can't copy, at least after the class you see the video, children. Okay, so dimension formulas I'm giving one by one, children. Okay, next one. Okay, children, I told 14 dimensional formulas. I told you some more we'll discuss, children. Okay, some more we'll discuss. Okay, see here, children. I'm rubbing this. Very good, children. Very good. Very nicely you're telling. So 15th dimension formula, children. 15th dimension formula. I surface tension. Surface tension. Surface tension formula is force by length. Anyone wants to say force by length? Formula is
Sir, L minus 1 t minus 2.
very good. Wrong, I think. LL cancel. So M1 L0 T minus 2. Okay, L will cancel. Okay, children, 16th sum, children. Okay, velocity gradient. What is velocity gradient? Anyone know what is the formula of velocity gradient, children? Normally we won't discuss anywhere. Velocity gradient means velocity by time change. That's all. Velocity gradient means velocity by length. Sorry, velocity by length. Gradient means by length. Anything gradient means by length. Gradient means by length. Okay, like how we will say, like rate means by time. We will say, rate means by time. Gradient means by length. Rate means by time. Gradient means by length. So velocity means velocity. What is the dimension formula? M0 L T minus 1 by L. Very good. M0 L0 T minus 1. Fantastic. Someone saying nicely. Pressure gradient. Pressure gradient. What is pressure gradient formula? Pressure by length.
Sir, t minus 2.
Pressure by length. What is pressure? Pressure is force by area. Pressure is what, children? Force by area. Pressure means what? Force by area. Force, how much we know? Force we know MLT minus 2 by area means L.
T minus.
Okay, children. Area means L square. L means L cancel. So this goes up, children. ML minus 2 T minus 2.
Minus 2.
Okay, ml minus 2, L square going up means minus 2. L square going up means minus 2. L square going up means minus 2. Okay, children, next one, pressure gradient is over. Pressure energy. What is pressure energy? Pressure energy means, children, pressure into volume. Okay, children, pressure energy means pressure into volume. What is pressure, children? Force by area. Volume means volume only. So, children, try to see force means how much? MLT minus 2. Force means MLT minus 2. Area means L square. Volume means L cube. Okay, so this gone. So, what is the formula? ML square T minus 2. ML square T minus 2. Next, 19th question, children. Okay, coefficient of viscosity. Coefficient, children. So this all we did study now means you will study in higher classes, children. But what for I am saying means how to derive dimension formula. That's all. Okay, I will say force by area into velocity gradient. Okay, force is how much, children? mLT minus 2. Area is how much, children? L square, beta square, no? Velocity gradient, now only we got now velocity gradient is how much, children? Just t minus 1. Just t minus 1. Now tell me, children, this gone. L comes up. Okay, minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. ml minus 1, t minus 1. You're able to understand, children? You should practice all this, children. If you practice only, you will understand, children. If you don't practice, you won't understand, children. Next, moment of inertia. Moment of inertia. What is moment of inertia? Okay, children. Moment of inertia means mass into distance. Anyone wants to say, children? Mass into distance. Moment of inertia. Mass into distance. Anyone wants to say? Dimensional formula?
ml, sir.
Very good, Vivek. Very good. Mass, distance. No time. Very good. Very good. Okay, children. So this is moment of inertia. Some more we'll discuss, children. Some more. 20 I discuss. Some more we'll discuss so that you'll understand more perfectly, children. Okay, 2, 3, 4 items we'll discuss, children. Next one. Okay, children. You have to practice them, children. You have to practice and you have to remember these are very, very useful in higher classes. These are very, very useful, children. 21st sum. Okay, what is 21st sum, children? We can say it jerk. Jerk. Jerk means acceleration by time, children. Jerk means acceleration by time. Acceleration dimension formula is LD minus 1. Time is just time. If this goes up, tell me the formula, children. Anyone? Dimension formula? Yes,
Sir,
children.
LT minus 2.
M0 LT minus 2. That's all. My plus 1, if goes up, minus 1. M0 LT minus 2. Okay, children. Next one, Jounce. Jounce. Jounce means jerk by time, children. Jounce means jerk by time. Jounce means jerk by time. Jerk, how much we got, children? M0 LT minus 2 by t. Now, can anyone say me the formula, children?
Sir, LT minus 3.
M0 LT minus 1.
Minus 3, no. 1 goes up, minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Okay, children, next one. Okay, next one, children. Specific heat. Specific heat formula is Q by M into delta T. Q by M into delta T. Please mute your audience, children, when you're not saying answer. So, children, specific heat is Q by M into delta T. Delta T is not time, children. Here it is time. Yes, ma. Yeah, yes, ma.
What is the acceleration dimension formula? It is L T per minus 2 or L T per minus 1?
Minus 2. LT minus 2. I wrote minus 1, no? I'm sorry, Nana. LT minus 2. Yeah. Minus 2, Nana. Minus 2. Very good. Ashtit. Very good, Nana. Very good, you told. So, if this is LT minus 3, if this is LT minus 3, this will become LT minus 4. Very good, Nana. Very good. Ashtit, very good, Nana. I just missed it. Acceleration is LT minus 2, Nana. Okay, so children, specific heat. Q means heat. Heat is a form of energy. Energy means work. Work dimension formula is ml square T minus 2. Those who did not understand, again I am saying heat is a form of energy. Energy is a form of work. Work dimension formula ml square T minus 2. And mass. Temperature, children, we will put for temperature Kelvin, K, children. We'll put Kelvin, K, new dimensional. MLT is the basics, no? Now for temperature, we'll put K. For temperature, we'll put K. Okay, so mass gone. M0 L square T minus 2 K minus 1. Okay, children, understood? That is specific heat, children. Those who did not understand, latent heat, I will say. Latent heat. What is latent heat formula? Just to Q by M. Just to Q by M. Anyone wants to say what is the dimension formula for Q by M? Anyone wants to say just to Q by M dimension formula?
Sir, M minus 1.
M minus 1 L2 T minus.
Sir, M over Z. Sir, M0 L square T minus 2, sir.
Fantastic, Asha. Very good. ML square T minus 2 is This gone. So m0 L square T minus 2. No mass cancel. Very good, Harsha. You're telling very nicely. 8th class, 9th class are involving very nicely. I don't know 10th class students are there or sleeping or what they are doing also. I don't know. Okay. Centripetal acceleration formula. Centripetal acceleration. Centripetal acceleration. Children, see children, centripetal acceleration formula is v square by r children. V square means velocity children. Velocity square by length. Velocity means we know lt minus 1. Velocity means lt minus 1 whole square by radius means a certain path or length no children l. Now what is the dimension formula is going to be L square T minus 2 by L. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. This cancel. So the final dimension formula becomes M0 L T minus 2. M0 L T minus 2. M0 L T minus 2. Okay, children. One more we'll discuss on 26. Okay. Next one, children. Charge. What is charge dimension formula? Charge. Charge is children. Charge is just current into time, children. Charge is current into time, children. What is charge? Current into time. There is no mass, no length. Time is there, current is there. Current is denoted by A. As temperature is denoted by K, current is denoted by A. A means amperes. Current is denoted by A. So no mass, no length. Time is 1. A is 1. No need of writing one more, children. A means amperes. Okay, children. A means what, children? Amperes. A means what, children? Amperes. For current A, for temperature K. Till now, what we discussed? M, L, T, K, A. Okay. M is mass, length, time, Kelvin, ampere. Kelvin for temperature, ampere for current. Kelvin for temperature, ampere for current. See, children, so many discussed. Still will discuss. Still will discuss. Some more. Okay. Next. Next I will discuss 27, children. Next one, children, all of you see here 27th one. 27th is going like this, children. What is 27th? Potential. Potential. What is potential? Potential, 10th class students will be knowing, if you they remember. Potential is work done in moving a charge. Work done in moving a charge. What is the work dimension formula I gave? ml square t minus 2. Charge dimension formula just now I gave. What I gave? M0, L0, T, A. Okay, children. Now, anyway, M0 has no value. So, L0 also no value. T has value. 1 will go up. ML square T. 1 goes up means minus 3. A goes up means A minus 1. Okay, children. So, A minus 1. T is going up minus 3 and this current is minus 1, children. Current is minus 1. 28 some children. Okay. You have to you will get all those things, children. Slowly you will understand. Okay. Current density. Current density. What is current density? Current density means current by area. Current by area. Anyone wants to share with me, children? What is the dimension formula for current by area? Very easy. Current by area. Anyone wants to share with me?
M minus 1 L3 T0 A1.
Okay, okay. Current means A, Nana. Current means A. Area means L square. Now tell me anyone dimension formula. Now at least dimension formula. Now anyone correctly you should say.
Sir, A T L C A L minus 2.
M0 L minus 2.
L minus 2, sir. T0 A1, sir.
Fantastic. Harsha is saying really very nice. Very, very nice, Harsha. 29 some children. Okay. Resistance. 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 10th class people from Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. So R is equal to V by A. V means potential. Potential dimension formula is here only I'm writing. ML square T minus 3 A minus 1 by A. Current means A, no? Now can anyone tell me the dimension formula, children? Very easy now.
M0
Sir, M0 L
No
square T
M0.
minus
No M0.
ML square T minus 3 A minus 2.
A minus 2.
Why are you saying M0, children? I don't know. Why you are saying M0? Why? Okay. Mute your audios. Okay, children. Next one, capacitance. Okay, children. What is capacitance? Charge by potential, children. Charge by potential. Children, charge. What was the charge for charge? What we got? Do you remember charge dimension formula is M0, L0, T, A, and potential dimension formula is
ML square T
ML
minus
square
3
T
A
minus.
minus 1.
Wow. Can anyone say now what is the dimension formula for this?
Sir,
M minus 1
M
L
minus
minus
M
2
minus 1
T
L
mi-
square T
T
minus 3
2
A
minus
minus
2
2.
T minus 2
T minus 4
T. Anyone
minus
T?
4.
minus 2
T. Anyone? T.
T minus
Sir,
2
sir, 4.
Minus 4.
4, sir, just
plus
4.
4
Sir,
Minus
4.
4
Okay, just 4 children. Minus 3 goes up plus
Plus
3.
A2
Okay.
A minus 2.
1 plus 1,
Sorry,
2.
A plus 2.
A2
Minus 1 goes up plus 1, 2 children. Why you are saying minus 3 goes up plus 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Why are you getting confusion, children? I don't understand. Basic exponents and exponents, if you don't understand how, children. Resistivity. 10th class children. Specific resistivity. What is the dimension for formula? Resistance area by length. Okay, children. I will write resistance dimension formula. How much we got? ML square T minus 3 A minus 2 into A by L. Tell me the dimension formula. One second. I'm sorry. 1 second. Area means L square. Area. This is area, children, not current. Now tell me, children, anyone?
Sir, ML 5 T minus 3 A minus 2.
No ML5.
Sir, L minus 5, sir.
T sir L3
A minus 3, A minus 2,
T
sir.
sir T minus 3 A minus
1 L gone, so 3 will be left over, children. Don't get confusion, children. Very easy things I'm telling you now. Why are you unnecessarily getting confusion? 32. Okay, children, 32. Okay, next, electrical field, children. Electrical field. Okay, what is electrical field? Means electrical force. Electrical force or any force is force only, children. Don't get confusion. Electrical force by charge. What is electrical force? Force means force only, children. Force means MLT minus 2. Charge means charge.
M0 L0 T A to the power 1.
Wow, very good, Nana. 8 is good. Now, can anyone say me the dimension formula, kids?
Sir, M0, L0, T minus 3, A,
L0
sir.
T minus
A0.
3 A square.
M L T minus
M
1 A minus
M L T
ML0 T minus T minus 3 A1.
3A ML minus 3A
Now listen. Why M0 you are telling? Why M0? M0 means no M, that's all. M, L, 1 goes up means T minus 3,
minus 3.
A minus
A
1.
minus 1
Why are you saying M0, children? I don't understand. Why are you getting confused? Please, children, don't get confused. Nana. Very easy things. Okay, I am not confusing you people. You have to remember all these formulas at least in the future. Not now. At least in the future, you have to remember all these things. Okay, electrical flux. What is flux? Flux means, children. Flux means field into area. Electrical field into area, children. Flux means electric field into area. Already electric field we got here, children.
Sir, ML3
minus
ML3 T minus
Sir, ML minus 2, A minus 3, A minus 1, sir.
ML minus 2, why you are getting right?
ML3 T minus 3
ML power 3 T power minus 3 L
power
power
ML
M 1 plus 2 3 minus 3 as it is A minus 1. A minus 1. Okay, children. 34. I hope I'm not confusing you. Okay, 34 children. Electrical flux is also over. Boltzmann constant. Boltzmann constant. What is Boltzmann constant formula means? Boltzmann constant is energy by temperature. I will see who will tell correctly energy by temperature. I want to see. I won't say only. I will see who will tell. Energy means work. I will see who will tell correctly. Energy means this one, children.
Sir,
Sir,
M0
Sir,
L
M,
three.
ML
Sir,
square
M
minus 2 K
square
minus
T
1.
Vivek,
K
correct.
minus
Energy means ml square T minus 2 by K. So K will come up. So ml square T minus 2 K minus 1. Back of Vivek, some girl is also telling very good manner. You're also telling correct. Okay, ml square T minus 2 K minus 1. K will come up. Temperature means K. I told you, no, children. I hope you people are enjoying this. I think so. Okay, children. Next, children, actually, please, children, once if I remove this, you should remember when I ask anything, please tell me correctly dimension formulas, children, because I again I can't derive it, children. Okay, I am removing all these things. Okay, shall I remove this, children? Shall I remove this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, children. Okay, I think you copied, children. If you copied, if I ask anything, you should be in a position to say, children, because sometimes I require. Next one, children, Wayne constant. Wayne constant. Wayne, what did he say means? It is constant is wavelength into temperature. Wavelength is certain length, that's all. Wavelength is certain length, children. So M0 L T0 into temperature. Wavelength into temperature. Temperature means what, children? K.
K, sir.
So this is the
M0 L
LK, sir.
That's all, children.
0 LT 0.
That's all, children. That's all. Next, Wayne constant is our Stephen constant. Stephen constant. What is Stephen constant means? Energy by area into time by temperature to the power of 4. Would you like to say, children? Would you like to say? Okay, I will write all form. Energy means ml square T minus 2. Area means L square. Time means T. Temperature also comes here, children. Temperature comes here. Temperature comes here. K minus 4. Children, temperature comes denominator. Temperature comes here, denominator. Now tell me, children.
ML0
Yes,
T
very
minus ML0
T power
T
minus 1.
T minus
K
1
power minus 1, K minus 0. Sir, K minus 1, sir.
K
K plus 4. K is minus 4 will become plus 4. Minus 4 will become plus 4, children. Minus 4 will become plus 4. Okay, children. I hope you are enjoying, children. Okay, next one. Next one, children. Okay, I'm rubbing this. I hope you copy. I'm rubbing this, children. Shall I rub this, children? Shall I rub this? Last 3-4 are there, children. So last 3-4 are there. Okay, next one, thermal expansion. Thermal expansion. You will study this in intermediate linear expansion, children. Actually, formula is L2 is equal to L1 alpha delta T, children. So alpha is equal to N2. Okay, so alpha is equal to L2 minus L1 by L1 into delta T. Okay, this is the formula. What is that formula? I will explain to you, children. Change in length is certain length only, no, children. This is also length. This is change in temperature. Change in temperature. Can you anyone say, children, dimensional formula for thermal expansion alpha? Dimensional formula.
0 K minus 1.
All zeros, M0.
Sir, M0, L0, T0, K1, sir. K minus 1, sir.
Fantastic, fantastic. I think Sahithi also told it. Very good. Next one, children. Thermal conductivity. Thermal conductivity. Children, next, thermal conductivity. What is thermal conductivity? Heat into thickness. Thickness. Heat into thickness by area into temperature into time. Children, heat means what? Energy. Thickness means what? Certain diameter, length. Thickness means certain length. Area means L square. Temperature means K. Time means T. Now, can anyone say dimension formula, children?
Sir, ML0
M
M
Sir,
minus
ML,
three.
sir,
T for
ML1
T
MT minus 3,
minus 3
K.
ML
minus 3 K minus 1.
T minus K minus 1.
Okay, minus 1. Last one, children. Last one. Okay. Okay, children. Last one. Last one will do, children. Okay. So universal gas constant. Children. Last one. Universal gas constant. If universal gas constant, children. So universal gas constant is R, children. PV is equal to nRT. R is equal to PV is equal to. Okay, children. So formula is pressure into volume into moles into temperature. Okay, children. Pressure is force by area. Now, children, mLT minus 2. Volume means L cube. Pressure is force by area. Area means L square. Temperature means K. Moles means we write M moles like this only, children. That's all. Moles means we write like this only. So now this gone.